Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Wubbox from My Singing Monsters. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's draw the inside of the mouth with a curve across. Then let's bring it down from both sides. And then another curve across the bottom to form a rounded rectangle shape. Now following the same shape, let's add a border around it. Now let's move inside and let's draw the teeth. On the top left, in the center, let's draw a rectangle. Then next to it on the right, let's do the same thing, but coming up from the bottom. Now top to the bottom left, and let's draw another one. And one more on the top right. Now on the outside part of the mouth, let's draw striped lines all the way around. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop on top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 circles on top. Now inside, let's draw a curve at the bottom. Then on top of this line, let's add another circle. Now inside each of these, let's add another 2 small circles. And then a black circle in the center behind. And lastly, for the eyes, on the outside, let's draw a line out on both sides. Then let's curve it down. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the body. Let's start by drawing the neck underneath. Let's draw a curve underneath in the center. Then let's bring it down and across. Then underneath, let's step in and let's draw a set of angled lines, and then another curved rectangle in the same way. Now underneath the neck, let's draw a large circle. And then another circle inside in the center. Now let's move to the sides and let's add the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up, bring it out, and curve it back in. Then at the top, let's add a border with a line across and curve it down. Now let's hop over to the right side. For this side, we're going to draw a curve going outwards and the same at the bottom. Now bring it down from the top and up from the bottom. And then a C-shaped curve to close off the right side. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw an oval and the same on the other side. Then add a rectangle shape at the end. Now let's draw another one in the same way, but a little bit bigger. Next, let's leave a gap again and let's draw an angled line up on both sides. Then from the top, let's curve it outwards. Then bring it back down, stopping about halfway. Then let's add a small U-shaped curve. And then continue the angle down. Now from the bottom of both ends, let's draw a small line in. Then let's draw a long U-shaped curve up and bring it down. And the same from the other side. And let's do the same thing on the right side. And then close off the end with a line across. Next, let's hop inside and let's add some details. We'll start with a curve inside at the top. Then from the top corner, let's draw a swirl going in like this. Now from the inside of the swirl, let's follow that same curve all the way back around like this. Now let's move over to the other side and let's draw a half circle. Then let's continue drawing circles down like this. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the details. Next, let's hop to the top and let's add the fingers. On top of the inner corner, let's draw two curves up and close it off at the top. And the same on the other arm. Now for the next finger, let's curve it up, over, and back down. Now the third finger with a rectangle shape going up. And then one last curved one at the end. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start under the body on the left side and let's draw two bent lines down and out like this. And the same underneath on the right. Then bring it down from both ends and a line across. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw an oval and a curved rectangle shape underneath each one. Now inside, let's add a pattern. From the inside, let's draw a hooked line and then a swirl from the outside. Now let's move down again and let's draw a circle. Then inside each of these circles, let's draw a curve. Then next to it, let's draw a swirl shape up and curve it out. Now again, let's leave a gap and let's draw a cylinder again, but we're going to angle it the other way like this. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move underneath and draw the feet. Let's start by leaving a gap and drawing a circle underneath each side. Now inside, let's draw two curved lines, forming an X. and then one more curve across. Now underneath each circle, let's draw a curve around the bottom. And from the inside, let's draw a line down. Then from both sides, an angle down and out. Now underneath the inside, let's bring it up and then curve it down on an angle. And then bring it down at the end. Now let's hop to the outside and let's follow that same angled bent line. Now from the inside, let's close it off at the bottom with an angled line. Now for the front of the shoe, let's draw two angled lines, leaving a gap in the center. Then let's curve it up, in, and back down. And then inside that curve section, let's draw two curves up and in. Now let's move inside and let's add some details. Let's start on top and let's draw a circle. And another one inside each of these. Now inside at the heel, let's add an angle and then bring it down. And the same on the right. And now let's follow the same angles and add a border at the bottom. And that's it for the top part of the shoes. Now let's move underneath and add the soles. Let's start underneath the front and let's draw two curves. And then let's angle it back up and curve it in. And lastly, let's add some curved stripes inside. And that's it for the Wubbox. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!